pleasure. And Madgaon, and just now Mr. Gupta has stated, this is one of the world famous tourist center. Even our Prime Minister on the day of the 15th August celebration, every person and every member of parliament, at least they must see 15 places of the country as stated. We go to many foreign countries, but we won't preserve our own tourism centers. Now I request Sripad Naik ji and Digambar Kamath ji and Vinay ji, Goa is such a place, whole world can come here and we can make the world at one place. So I request increase the tourism center at Goa once again, what the previous days we were doing. And even the railway priority, first is safety, second is punctuality, third is keeping the cleanliness in the trains and stations. I congratulate all my officers. From 2014, the scenario throughout the country has been changed. Earlier, these officers only they were doing. When Prime Minister started taking broom in his hand, all the roads and the stations have been started cleaning up. Now, every station is very neat and clean at par with the airports. So I congratulate my officers also for the struggle they are taking. It is not the only duty of the officer. It is the duty of the passengers also, the citizens of the country also. I request the citizens of the Goan, whoever comes here for as a tourist, please advise them not to make Goa dirty in coming days. And Belgaum and Goa, Karnataka and Goa are having the very good cordial relation. Most of the vegetables are coming from Belgaum, milk is coming from Belgaum. That we have to build the more relations among the Karnataka and Goa. And today it is a great occasion to get together with Sripad ji, is my senior leader in the parliament, and even Digambar Kamath ji. All are having very good cordial relation with the Belgamites and the Karnataka. So in coming days, we'll increase.
आजच्या कार्यक्रमाच्या माध्यमातून पहिली गोष्ट जो काही अडचण रेल्वे स्टेशन एवढचे तेवढे वचपाक जो काही आमकां फूड ब्रिज जाय आशिल्लो, खूब दिसाचो डिमांड आशिल्लो आणि तो डिमांड आज कोकण रेल्वेन आमच्या मंत्र्यांनी पुरो केल्लो आसा. ताचो फावंडेशन सुरू जातलो आणि बेगिना बेगीन हो पूल खंय तरी कार्यरत जातलो अशी आशा आमी व्यक्त करूया. जो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर जेणे काम घेतिल्लें आसा ताका विनंती करता की ताणें बेगिना बेगीन हें काम पूर्ण करचें. त्याच बरोबर एक 100 फूट हायटीचो जो मास आसा ताजेर आमचो तिरंगा हो दररोज खंय तरी फडकवतलो. हें वैशिश्ट आसा, ह्या कार्यक्रमाचें एक वैशिश्ट आसा, कारण हाजें रक्षण तो आमचें रक्षण करता, आमी ताजें रक्षण करप हें आमचें सगळ्यांचें कर्तव्य आसा. त्यामुळे हो एक असो सुंदर असो कार्यक्रम ह्या चवथीच्या वातावरणात आज आमी करतात. हांव ह्या दोन्ही कार्यक्रमाचे आमचे मंत्री बाब सुरेश आंगडी त्याच बरोबर रेल्वे अधिकारी हांचे मना पासून अभिनंदन करता.